Low powder recovery, slow color change cleaning. The Zhanyao large cyclone powder booth boosts powder utilization and speeds up color changes in one go. The complete system includes spray booth, powder feeding center, large cyclone separator, and secondary cartridge filter. Among them, the unattracted powder is sucked into the large cyclone separator. Coarse powder SEPI centrifugal force passes through a vibrating screen to remove impurities and is sent back to the feed hopper for reuse. Fine powder goes into the secondary membrane cartridge filter. Cleaned air is discharged back into the workshop for circulation. The filter is periodically pulse jet cleaned, and the recovered powder drops into a collection bin. 2 key advantages: high recovery efficiency, drastically reduces powder waste. Fast color change, system cleaning is quick and easy. Want a custom solution? Drop a comment below.
Zhanyao, together we color the world.